Hi, guys, and welcome back to Moment of Silence. I am Alia Kashyap, your host for today. The last episode that you guys saw, you guys begged me to come back, so here I am again. We have two very special guests today, Sakshi Shivdasani and Naina Bhan. And
Hi.
today we're talking about weddings.
बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरा लकी ससुराल की na 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 na. Stop making it so.
कच्चे से चाल मानो मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो. Oh my
Yes.
god, have you guys planned your wedding songs?
Who's gonna tell her?
I was. What was your wedding song? I just realized I've never asked you.
Even I can't remember.
Shut the fuck up.
It was that song from Razi that.
Dilbaro. That's what
Oh
I was
yeah. That's why I was like, it sounds damn familiar. I cried to this song once.
Yeah, you just
You didn't even
cried.
remember.
Just
Just
blocked
deleted
out
that
one
memory.
No, come on. If you go through the breakup of your life, you will block that
Yeah,
memory.
you delete it.
Fully
That's
delete it.
fair,
Yeah.
You can't re-
The one marriage I'm looking forward to is the marriage of our audience to the subscription button. Subscribe to this
Why
podcast.
am I so turned on right now? Because
That was
last-
really smooth.
Dude,
Thank
yeah, we were recording one episode which I don't know if it'll come out, but I was like, guys, you guys have to subscribe, and Naina did on the mic, and I was like, we need people to subscribe. She's like, yeah, whatever.
I've since been reformed. I believe in love, and I believe in love that supports ringing a bell icon, supports pressing the
Commenting,
yes.
sharing,
sharing is
spreading
caring.
it all,
Ready?
spreading your legs.
Bending down. Subscribe before we get into the video. Come on. If you
Are you
subscribe now,
edging the
Yeah.
subscribe button?
I'm taking
like-
a sip, and by the time I finish taking a sip, you better be subscribed.
go for it.
She takes big sips also. Okay, subscribe to the podcast, and we are getting into the episode right about now.
But you are getting married this
Yeah.
year. We're very happy, for you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I've never planned a wedding. My only cousins that have gotten married have gotten court married. Actually, that's not true. The only cousins I like that have gotten married have gotten court married. My mom's side cousins are getting married this year, which I think should be a fun wedding. But I've never been like,
To a wedding you enjoy.
right.
And that you're a bridesmaid in.
Yeah, I'm a bridesmaid at Alia's wedding, so I'm gonna make.
I don't know Alia, so let's see.
Yeah,
There's
let's
still
see.
6 to 8 months to the. I might if I play my cards
You're,
right.
you're definitely a
Reception,
guest.
like a
no,
rec-
no.
What?
All events. You've made it.
Everyone
just
getting
in.
married, you can come for free to this podcast. If it means I can come to your
Oh my
wedding.
god, especially if you guys are having a destination wedding in Istanbul, not to
I
I can't afford that.
okay. I was like, this is
We're
so
doing it in
what
Bombay.
kind of nepo baby.
yeah, sick. First, you don't get launched, then you
I
become a
don't.
fucking content creator.
And then I don't even have a
Does
destination.
your dad
wedding.
even love you?
No.
The same.
No. He doesn't.
Shut the fuck up.
My dad's gonna get me married in like a MMRDA ground with like a tent.
No, so I was talking to my dad and I was like, Papa, firstly, I pay for everything. But when it's my wedding and I'm your only
Come on.
daughter,
Yeah.
I think it's fair enough. And also, when I did my podcast episode with my dad, all the comments were like, oh my God, she's so privileged. She's like forcing her dad to pay for her wedding. Firstly, I'm not forcing him. He
Secondly-
wants to, I think.
Yeah. No, but like, I feel like in India, it's pretty much like.
A given.
And not only
given,
in
yeah.
India, like even some of Shane's family members, their parents,
Right.
it's just normal.
It's normal, yeah.
Secondly, I'm the only child. It's
and
like,
the only daughter.
yeah, I don't want to hear complaints.
Fair,
I just
yeah.
want to see the cha-ching sounds,
Judging,
you know?
yeah. Fair.
And so I was telling him, and I was like, okay, like this invoice is due.
yeah.
And he's like, are you sure you don't want to get court married? And even both my mother and father have been trying to push me to get a court marriage. And I'm like,
These
I'm disappointed.
liberals.
How dare they?
Let's get traditional for a second. Come on.
I know. It's like
Where's
everything
the
else.
vidai?
Everything else, you're like, you have to do it like this. You have to. I'm like, when I want to get married, you don't want to be traditional anymore.
Yeah.
What's that
Also,
about?
Suddenly
have you been
free
to the
thinking.
family court in Bandra?
What's
There's like
that about?
one person and 500 getting married and 499 are getting divorced.
Exactly.
Like, you don't want to, it's not romantic. You know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
तो मत ही करो. Just like,
That's your contribution.
no, I'm kidding. I want to talk about like wedding trends. What are you excited about for your own wedding? What trends do you hate? And let us, as good bridesmaids, self-invited, like help you come up with the best solutions.
So I am actually going to be the bride that's going to be leaving my own party to go to the green room to breathe. You know?
Green room.
A green room.
Yeah, the venue has a little green room for me to get
बहुत ही
ready.
privileged है.
No.
Okay. Do you have any like big acts performing at your wedding?
No.
Would you like, if you could, would you have somebody perform at your
My
wedding?
dream would be to have Prateek Kuhad perform at my wedding.
What are you saying?
Naina
ये
and
क्या dream
Prateek
है?
have beef.
That would be
No,
my
I'm kidding.
dream.
You're fine, Prateek.
No,
You're fine.
No,
That's it.
Yeah, okay. No, I get, but I would assume you would want like Ranveer Singh or someone to perform at your wedding.
Ranveer Singh would be like, okay, little backstory. Ranveer, if you're watching this,
Yes, he is.
Yes, he
I
is.
don't know if you remember, but when I was 14, about 10 years ago, you kissed my cheek.
Aw.
No comment.
And
We have to cut this out.
Please. This is like Jake and Millie Bobby
no.
Brown.
It was more of like my dad being like, my daughter's in the audience and she loves you. And he just like came in and was like, hi, how are you? And he kissed my cheek. And I didn't wash that cheek for like
Oh.
2 weeks. I washed
would
my
have done the
face.
same.
I washed my face like this. And I just left my cheek.
Dude, I might be giving identifying information, so I'll shut up. But yeah, exactly. So Ranveer, you can go one step ahead and perform at Alia's wedding for free.
Or
Yeah.
just give me another kiss on my cheek and I'll be happy.
For free.
You don't even
for
need to
free.
do that. You just come, give me a kiss and leave, and I'll
This time you just get it tattooed. You make it for
his
lipstick.
yeah, and I get his lips tattooed.
You could put it as like the sindoor
yeah.
on
I'll
your
make
mom.
him kiss my forehead.
लड़की के मांग में सिंदूर भरो रणवीर walks up.
I get that tattooed as my sindoor.
I want Diljit to perform
Shameless.
at my wedding.
You
Oh my
want
God, that would
Diljit to
be
perform as the groom at your wedding.
We're friends. It's okay. I just
Diljit
want to
would
be
be
his,
great.
like, I just want to be in his world.
in his arms.
No, world. But
I
I
heard
That's
he is.
performing
Isn't
like
he
Chamkila.
divorced now?
he was married?
Yeah, with a child.
What?
Yeah.
I hear he is divorced now. So
I heard he went on a date with Taylor Swift, and obviously, if that doesn't work out,
Have you met Koyal Kaldra from class? Rumor has it she's a stand-up gal in
I
real
really
rumor
life.
has
is,
it
yeah.
she likes.
Didn't
sex.
she kill someone?
Rumor has it she likes sex.
Didn't she also kill someone?
She kind of gaslit someone into killing someone.
Right.
It's not the same as
I
like,
think that's hot though. That's like
Yeah.
a hot toxic trait, you know.
I mean,
It's like, I'm not saying it.
you are. Yeah, I would love for a celebrity performance at my wedding.
I can't afford it.
I was gonna say I would love it too, but it's not in my budget.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I'm performing at your
Yeah, we're doing a full moment of silence
Holy
episode.
Julia.
1 hour podcast live, first episode at Alia's wedding.
Everyone's sitting there and
You were like,
We're like, so what?
poop hole, loophole.
just do a stand-up comedy routine, and everyone's like, I'm
Everyone's politely clapping.
No,
and
I feel like people will be leaving. Like
Yeah,
this is not what I was
fair.
expecting.
So I like when the celebrity performs at the wedding, but I don't like when the celebrity attends the wedding because the whole wedding gets upstaged by the celebrity.
yeah.
And then
No, you know it's true because my dad has invited some celebrities that he's worked with before, and I just know my nanu and my grandparents are just gonna be taking pictures the whole time, and I'm just like, I'm the bride. You know, what about me?
yeah,
Dude,
what about you?
Alia, so her engagement had like paps outside and all of that. And I was so conscious of who I was dancing with because I didn't want to seem like a cloud chaser because I wasn't cloud chasing. But I was like, what if this circle is going to
That
be like
video though did go viral of someone entering the party and you being
and
in
I
the
was
background.
chugging a beer?
Yeah, I saw that. Are you gonna have paps at your wedding?
I plan not to, but I know I'm being realistic and I know that they're going to show up also because 2 of the events are in Bandra. Bandra is like the pap like household.
So did you call paps to your engagement or they
No,
came?
they came.
Wow.
So I'll be honest
Respect.
right
In
now.
the venue.
So the venue called I'll be honest right now, when we chose this venue, I chose it specifically not in Bandra because I
Right.
didn't want paps. I wanted it to be in an area where I knew paps don't show up. So we did it in BKC, which is like, who is gonna come to BKC, you know? And then like when we entered, there was one pap there, and I assumed that okay, like literally one
Fair,
dude
yeah.
with a camera, and I was like, okay, I assumed that the venue called them for publicity, and I was like, great. And then like an hour later, I go out, and it's like 70,000 paps outside, and I'm like, obviously, like the venue has called them, which I wasn't mad about because I'm like, you know, maybe more people will want to collab for my wedding.
Yeah,
and
I was
save
gonna
some
ask.
money.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
If I'm being
But the
totally
venue
honest.
should have like told you.
Yeah, that's not
Yeah,
fair.
I agree with that. I think they should have told me because I specifically had also, before the thing, told them like I don't want any publicity or media. So, and I know that
Oh.
venues like tend to
Yeah.
call people. So I told them that I don't want
Yeah.
paps. And so like just like tell whatever PR people you have not to call them. And I was like, if you want, I can post for you. I will happily post for
Right,
you.
yeah.
Even though I paid for the venue. It's not like
Exactly,
it was
yeah.
a free thing. You
Hmm.
know, I paid for the venue. So I was like, I'm happy to post for you. I'm happy to publicize it as much as you want. Even though I'm paying for it, I'm still happy to do it.
Why?
Why?
Just
Yeah.
because, like, you know, they were sweet. They were
Happy
nice people.
occasion.
That is literally the core of hospitality.
Yeah.
Like they are paid to be nice to you.
Yeah, I know. But also, I'm a people pleaser. So I was
You're like,
I'll
here's
do
my
it.
money, but thank you so much.
Yeah. And
Do you want me
then-
to like dust after? Or like
Yeah.
She stays back to pack the
Yeah.
sliders.
The food and everything. Yeah, I'm a people pleaser. So I was like, I'm happy to post for you.
Yeah.
But no media. And then when we reached there was like 1 or 2 guys. And I was like, okay, whatever. This is fine. They'll take their 1 or 2 pictures and leave.
Yeah.
Little did I know, an hour later, like 50 people showed up.
Dude, in fact, I went outside to smoke.
yeah, waiting. This is the lie you can't make up.
And I got like caught in I was caught in 2 pap pictures that evening. And I like, no, you couldn't tell I was smoking. I was like vaping. So
Yeah.
like there was nothing, but like I could tell that I was vaping. And I was like, I didn't even know they were looking in that
Yeah.
direction because the person that walked out was not that relevant.
No, I know. And I also was not, because the venue that we had booked was glass windows.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
And that's why I was also specifically like, I don't want anyone there because it's
Yeah.
glass. I don't want that privacy invaded. So when they ended up showing up, we had to get like curtains to like close
Oh.
curtains and stuff, because I was
Dude.
like,
I have a plan for your wedding, and that's going to jumpstart my career. Nena, you can pitch in if you'd like, but I have a feeling paps are going to show up at a couple of events.
they're going to show
So
up. at our
I'll
events.
call them and I'll say, let me pay you. And I'll be again in the background of someone famous's video doing something just casually sexy, you know, as one
Like
does.
twerking.
Yeah, like, and then I'll become like the girl that, you know, that Wink girl who got popular a while back. I'll just be that girl, and
Yeah.
then like I'll get 1 million followers. I was hoping,
Yeah.
and then I'll call the paps consistently for 1 month after
And just
that.
keep getting caught in the background.
Yeah, no. After that, I'll be like, oh my god, beer chugging girl is back. And then I will jumpstart my own career.
You have
love
to
that.
enter Big Boss if you are taking
No,
that trajectory.
I would never.
You can't do it
But
without Big
for
Boss.
those months, I can't pitch into moment of silence shoots because I'll be paying Viral to go
That's
viral.
That's fine. I think the most baller move you can make is when you leave the wedding with a drink in the glass that's being served at
yeah.
the wedding.
Yeah.
My father did that.
You know.
Baller.
Baller.
How gangs of it.
But you know, we actually recently found out that there's probably going to be Paps showing up because my dad sent me his list of guests and I was like, okay, we have to prepare for them to show up.
Yeah.
So what I didn't know earlier was now we had to account an extra charge for a media wall and like snack boxes.
I have a hack for you. On the media wall, you should make some really cringe art of you and Shane together.
Yeah,
like,
so every
you know,
Pap picture will have my face in it.
yeah, like those really bad ones from
Yeah.
of them holding hands and making
Like
a
no,
heart.
like me putting his hand on his chest or something.
Yeah.
You know?
That would be so good.
Yeah.
Please do that.
Of course, why
Is
not?
Diljit going to be at the
I
wedding?
wish. I really wish.
Come
I'm
on,
a fan.
Alia.
Day 65
Of
of Naina
thirsting.
meeting.
Of thirsting.
Yeah. I'm thirsting for friendship. It's fine.
Okay. Friends.
I swear.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Very believable.
I genuinely wish I was like such a horn dog, but I'm really not.
You just want to be in his presence.
I wish I was horny as fuck.
Like
But I'm just
Sakshi.
not. Like me.
Yeah.
Do I give off like horny vibes?
But you talk about anal more than you
Yeah,
talk about.
because I don't want to have sex.
Yeah,
it's just more
Ever.
fun to say it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but a wedding trend I hate is when like all the guests are like, we have a surprise for the bride and the groom, and it's just a dance.
Yeah, it's not a surprise
Yeah, I
anymore.
know. And
Just go- like who gets excited about that? You know, like
I also have a wedding trend I hate. It's just a recent trend. You know, like brides doing a reveal to their friends of like their outfit.
I hate that.
I can't stand it because also knowing me, as soon as I get like a sketch of my outfit, I'm going to be sending it to
Yeah.
everyone, be like, OMG, look. Like as soon as my designer got locked, I texted Sakshi and I was like, this is what I'm doing. I don't think I have the patience to like wait like 8 months to do a reveal.
I don't like reveals like it's Bridgerton, you know? Like,
Yeah,
just
like,
do
it's
it aram
It's
se.
a wedding outfit, you know?
They like called everyone to the courtyard, then the fucking cameraman is there,
Yeah,
then
and
you
they're, like,
walk out.
panning.
reels.
Yeah.
Like they zoom into every girl and say,
Yeah, and they're like crying and fake crying. Yeah, wiping their
Yeah.
non-existent
tears. Yeah.
I also hate the pick-me brides who are like sitting there and like smoking or like eating some kind of
yeah, and
snack
there's always
food.
like a reel with the caption like other brides.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're like
Me.
eating a McDonald's burger and they're like, I don't care.
Yaar, badi
I'm
tension
so
ho rahi hai.
quirky.
I hate quirky brides.
Like that's me weekly eating
Oh
a
my God.
McDonald's.
Okay, don't come at me for this. I'm getting spicy, but
yeah.
I don't like I'm all for like a bride wearing sneakers with their lehenga, but I don't like when they try to like lehengify the sneakers, like you know.
Yeah,
like,
add lace and
yeah, stop
bedazzle.
it. Just wear like white
I
Air
know.
Force Ones. Like,
No one can even see it. Like,
but
what's the
don't-
point?
Don't fucking make like Indian embroidery on like your white sneakers.
It's a very NRI thing.
NRIs, bro.
I to plan to fully wear heels just for my entrance for the height.
For sure.
And then once my wedding ceremony is over, I'm not even wearing, I'm wearing chappals.
Yeah.
Like,
I
I'm
feel
wearing
like
my Birkenstocks.
sneakers are not
You're so
comfortable.
relatable, Alia.
How
know.
quirky of you.
I'm not like other girls, you know? Like I
Yeah.
can't like wear heels.
Yeah.
You're not like other girls in that you are like every other girl.
Like, I'm like different.
No, the
Naina.
girls who wear
come on,
stilettos
Naina.
are the ones who are
No,
different.
I'm
No,
different.
she's like so cool and
I'm
quirky.
cool. I'm
Okay,
gonna wear
fine.
chappals.
Yeah.
Like I'm
Oh my
different.
God.
I'm not a pick me at all.
That's the first I've heard of someone wearing chappa Birkins.
Yeah, not even chappals.
Oh my god, I want to be her.
dying to be her. I hate Roka videos. I hate those pre-wedding engagement things. I hate that woman went to Leh Ladakh or wherever she went.
Oh my
and
God.
that couple who shot in the snow.
Context.
Yeah.
There
Oh my
was this-
god, I know what you're
Yes.
talking about. Where
Yeah.
she's like freezing and
She's
she's
like,
"Oh,
I'll risk
ha-"
hypothermia for a fucking.
Like who asked you to?
Yeah.
That's on you, babe.
Also, the grade.
Like that's really just on you.
Also, the grade of that video was
Bad.
so grey. Like,
She was so done dirty by the fucking camera crew.
Yeah.
The grade was shit. How can you make
She was
Ladakh
very-
look
Imagine
bad?
suffering hypothermia only
just
have
to get that video back, and you have to gaslight yourself into thinking it's worth it.
Bro.
Then you post it, and everyone's like, nice video, don't do it again.
True. There was this one woman, I felt really bad, but like her wedding dance, she just kept dancing for her husband at different points. Like, I don't know if you've seen this video, but basically, first she danced to him at the wedding ceremony, then post she changed into a wedding cocktail dress. And she performed, I think, Meri Diwani or something, but she went on the floor.
I've
You know what
seen
I'm
that.
talking about?
Is that really like how special is that after a point?
Bro, it
You
looked-
only do it like 8 times throughout your wedding. Is it really
Alia,
special?
you have to plan a surprise dance
Are
for
you
Shane.
crazy?
Shane has to plan it
Shane's
for
just gonna
you.
like see that and be like, you know what? I changed my mind. I don't want to get married anymore.
And it can be like ek ganpat chal darula because Shane doesn't understand Hindi. And you're like ek ganpat.
Chal darula.
And Shane's like, wow, how romantic.
I do like one trend, which I don't think people do often. I love when the families play a sport.
Pariniti.
Did they do that?
They did cricket.
Yeah,
play
like
a
it's fun.
sport?
Like the girl side versus the boys
Could
side.
never be me.
Anyway.
Anyways, I love when families like play sports together, like a good volleyball match, a good cricket match.
Only
I could
if the
never.
groom lets me win.
No, I don't want to be active. I just want to be drunk. I don't want to be active.
fair.
You
But
know?
you know, imagine you're like kind of dating like old royalty, and then your fiance pulls up on a horse and they play polo.
That's their barat. Like
kinda
them playing
hot.
polo.
They push you towards the mandap with a polo stick. Like,
In your ass. Like, go, move.
You took a perfectly sweet thing and fucked it in the ass.
but who
It's
is
Sakshi's
marrying old
effect.
royalty?
You never know. Day 52 of Naina attempting to marry old royal.
Or Diljit.
Oh, that's
That's
65.
65 actually.
We have different counters going.
What other counters do you have?
Struggling artist. That's
Day
140.
400 of not being of being a struggling artist.
Yeah, many counters.
But I feel like after Pariniti's wedding, people are doing the sports thing. It's just that if you get married in Mumbai, it's never cool enough, like weather-wise, to play a sport.
Yeah, you're just gonna be like falling on the floor, like
break up
dying.
because it's
Yeah.
so hot.
In Mumbai, I would do like a Eskimo wedding, like in an ice cage.
I think
Pretty
that's
sure
just you.
Eskimo wedding is when like one person is pregnant.
I don't know.
Shotgun.
That's a
Yeah.
shotgun.
How?
Eskimo kisses someone.
Yeah.
Can I be
Sorry.
honest?
Yeah.
I'm so scared of having a shotgun wedding. Like, there's like a couple months to my wedding. I'm so scared. Like, one of my biggest fears is me falling pregnant before
Falling.
What's wrong with that?
I want to be skinny. Like, I've been working out.
How many
Eh,
months to your wedding?
What's the month right now?
It's
It's May.
May.
There's June, July, August, September, October. 6 months to my wedding.
Okay, so if
About.
June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
7.
6.5.
Okay.
Chal de denge.
if you can hold off for 3 months, try not to get pregnant for 3 months, you'll be okay through the wedding.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to not have sex?
No,
for
no.
No.
Just use
don't get
protection.
pregnant.
No, I do. But you know
Oh.
how sometimes it's like, I know so many people who have gotten pregnant even with using like my mother had me when she was on birth control. That scares the crap out of me. It's like you're not safe.
With the amount of vaping that you and I are doing, babe, there's no.
I'm infertile. No, touch wood. I hope I'm not. Anyway, I'm like
Like
so
I-
scared that I'm gonna like be like, I'm like 4 months before my wedding, I'm gonna find out I'm pregnant, and then I'm just gonna be pregnant on my wedding day, or like have
You
to
can't
postpone it.
drink.
Yeah, like, you know, that's
Just
a
don't take
genuine
test
fear of
till
mine.
after your wedding.
Maybe I should just be celibate for the next 6 months. Shane just breaks up. He's like, you know what? I don't want to get married anymore.
If this is how it's gonna be.
I think that's kind of cool to be
To be
cel-
celibate.
Yeah, why not? I mean, if you've been together for like 4 years,
Yeah.
and then you kind of hold off to start
don't think I
fresh
have it
as
in
hubby
me.
and wifey.
I don't think I
They're
have that
living
in
together.
me.
What are they gonna do? Play Ludo?
Yeah, I know.
try it. It's very sexy.
Ludo.
Rolling the dice and
actually-
seeing where it goes.
Life. The electronic banking version of life. You know, you get
2
credit
months-
cards.
Yeah, but 2 months in, as soon as your life character has 2 babies, you're like gonna like tear each other
On top of the lifeboat.
Use those little as props. He's like
His nipple
running
clamps.
over your boobs.
The car, like from my badge to my pool. Like, is this turning you on? Is this on?
And you're so deprived. You're like, yes.
Are you sure you don't want to do a court marriage and just
Get it over.
get it over with? Yeah.
Then I don't have to fear being pregnant also.
Yeah. Falling pregnant.
Falling pregnant. I don't know what's the word for it. Like, it's scary.
Getting knocked up.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get knocked up.
Yeah.
So my brother, who's having a court marriage, is having it only because he wants kids. And my bua was like, do not bring kids into this haram marriage, like, do not be unwed. Like, y'all are just a live-in couple. What rights does your child have? So he's like, okay, babe, relax. I'll get a court marriage. And like, I was like trying to get him to fly me to Switzerland, which is where he lives, to kind of like give him a Mangal Sutra or something. Like, just be the mule because I have a Schengen visa now.
Oh.
And I was, yeah. But yeah, I was like, oh, if you need me to come, I'll come. And he was like, yeah, sure, you can come, but I'm going to work the same day because like they really don't give a fuck about this, like the wedding as such. But I was like, oh yeah, just pay for my ticket. I'm trying to like get him to pay for my ticket, but I haven't gotten to that point yet.
I wish I could be that cool. Like, I wish like a wedding day was such a non-day that I could just get up, maybe not shower, do the thing, go to work, and
be chill.
be chill. Yeah.
I wish to. It's definitely I feel like Indian weddings especially are like a festival.
Yeah.
It's not even like an event. It's like a full,
Yeah,
it's like Coachella.
Like Lollapalooza.
You know, like Coachella, Lollapalooza, where it's like a 3-4 day festival where you have to like plan your outfits in advance and like
Yeah.
be prepared, and
And
it's
by the
definitely
third
hectic.
day, everyone hates.
Yeah,
y'all.
everyone's like, I don't feel like going anymore. I'm like,
and Viral's gonna be outside.
yeah, on day 3, they're like, I'm too tired for another day of this.
What's the most annoying part about wedding planning?
Honestly, I feel like I wasn't expecting the prices.
Fair.
Like, I think I told Sakshi about this. We have to, like, my mom and the wedding planner as well, they were like, we should get local flowers because foreign flowers are like 4 times more expensive. And I didn't even know that was a thing, like.
Now you just have gained that fool. at
Yeah,
your
I
wedding.
know. I was like, let's just keep those marigolds
Yeah,
all
yeah.
over, and that's it. Because, like,
Yeah, it's too
Ain't no one
expensive.
got money, like, dude. Also, I think like, and this is your story, so correct me if I'm wrong. But didn't like someone charge you 6 lakh rupees for like invites for your wedding?
yeah, they were like, what do you want? I said, I want a save the date video, like that too, like a 5-second save the date video, even a picture is fine, and then a wedding invite for all the events. And I was like expecting it to be maybe 1 lakh, 2 lakhs max, because I feel like that's reasonable.
Right.
She comes back with 7 lakhs, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it myself.
In this economy,
Exactly. I was like,
Yeah. Why? So why do you want a big wedding?
I'm actually not having a big wedding.
How big is your wedding?
Actually, I don't know.
You're having a big wedding.
It's like a medium. It's a medium wedding. It's not like a big wedding. Like, I feel like Indian weddings, big is like 600, 700 people. Small is like 100, 150. Ours is around 200, 250 people. So it's not too big.
Fair.
It's like chill.
But is it one of those things you always wanted from
Yeah.
when you were a kid?
Yeah, but the weird thing is, I hate being the center of attention. So I know that at every single event, I'm going to need a place for me to go to like
green
sit
room.
alone and like, yeah, the green room to like be alone and like breathe for a second.
Yeah.
But also, I just want to look pretty, I just want to wear cute outfits and look hot.
That's just like girlhood.
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
nothing.
Like, I just want to look hot.
Like, बाकी सब हो जाएगा,
Yeah, I don't really
भगवान,
care about the
yeah.
rest. I want to eat
Fair.
good food, get drunk, and look hot.
Yeah, I feel
That's
you.
my wedding
That makes
list
total
priority.
sense.
So many of my friends who are like very normal women who like aren't the kind of women who just suddenly leap into like their in-laws and be like, ab main is ghar ki beti hu, and all of that. I watched them get married and it was like a very like a humanizing and humbling thing because they were just they were as freaked out as any normal person would be in that situation, not like running to make like
Yeah.
badam doodh and like, packing their post honeymoon or post wedding day kit and shit
Yeah.
like that. And she's like, oh my God, I don't know. Like, I feel like my mom-in-law is going to fucking piss me off. And I'm like, yes, this is what being a bride should feel
Yeah.
like.
I must say though, I'm blessed with the nicest mother-in-law. Like, she is great.
Yeah.
Nancy, if you're watching this,
Shout out.
I love
Shout
you.
out, Nancy.
So what's it like bringing a foreign damad into the house?
So, I will say one thing. My mother is very protective of me. When I first told her I was dating Shane, she was like, no. She was like, no, you can't. But then she's just protective. She's that with all my other Indian boyfriends as well.
Okay.
She's not racist. And then she got to know Shane and she was fine and everything. My father, I think, loves Shane more than he loves me. He also openly says it. So this is not like a guess of mine. He openly says it. So I think it's fine. And honestly, I feel like Shane's more Indian than I am.
I would agree.
Yeah.
Dude, Shane plays the harmonium.
He
which-
sings bhajans.
He sings bhajans, and the funniest part is, and you can tell me if I need to cut this out. So the only person in our friend group Shane has played a bhajan for is Karima, our
Yeah.
only Muslim.
Yeah, I know.
And I think that's so Gora coded.
It is. I don't think he understands. He's just like singing Hare Krishna. And I'm just like,
And
that's,
Karima is like-
yeah, I don't get it.
But I get it. And Shane wants to go to like his dream destination in India is Banaras.
Yeah, and that's like my worst nightmare because I've been like my grandparents live there and I hate that place. No offense to Banaras, but you're
Don't say
great.
Banaras.
Banaras, you're great. I personally have been there so many times because my grandparents live there that I personally am sick of it. Love you, Banaras.
Love you, Banaras. But yeah, Shane is like very Indian coded.
He is. He's way. I tell everyone, and like not even just to be like quirky. He genuinely is more Indian. He's learning
Yeah.
Hindi and
Yeah.
everything, but he's very like hippie, ashram, meditation, yogi vibes, and so
Dude, Alia told me, and again, I don't know why Shane is coming on blast, but
Yeah, why?
it's just a
He
trend.
he hates me after this. He went for this event where people like play music yet without alcohol. They shut their eyes and they dance.
It was called
Free love.
ecstatic dance.
Ecstatic dance. I did
Yeah.
it once in Rishikesh.
You did?
Oh my
Yeah.
God, what was your experience?
I mean, it was at like 6 a.m. in the morning, and we were supposed to dance through the trauma.
Yeah, I
It
know.
was
He was
okay.
telling me, and he's like, "You should come with me. They're just gonna play music." And I was like, "Is there alcohol?" And he was like, "No, everyone's sober." I was like, "You can go."
See, I like when you repress your feelings.
Yeah,
I don't like.
I like bottling things
Yeah,
up
and like
and then
drinking.
bursting
Yeah.
eventually, like 4
Is it
months into.
completely like
Unrelated.
Like if we all sat in a circle and like read poetry we wrote to each other,
Yeah.
or like spoke our feelings, or if I told you I love that for you, thank you so much for sharing,
Yeah.
it would fuck me up.
Yeah, for sure.
Don't
Like,
say that.
I just got like acid reflux when you said share your feelings.
Do you are you guys bringing like a little like new traditions into the mix? Because you come from very different worlds.
No, we're going full Indian.
Full Indian.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, for example, his family is going to dance in the Sangeet, which I'm very excited for because
But not for my surprise dance.
your surprise dance I've seen on your IG reels, your Bollywood.
She literally, for the last year, she's been trying to like lowball you and
Yeah,
bring your
I know.
expectations down through her Instagram.
Because didn't you also just recently post another one
Yes,
of like me?
yeah.
I was like, I feel like she's doing this for me. To
People
like,
are, like tagging you. It's not even a secret.
I
But I'll
know.
do it for everyone's wedding.
I love
Everyone's
that.
wedding.
Me too.
Yeah.
I love that.
Thank you.
But I'm excited for Shane's family to like
For
dance
sure,
at
yeah.
like in a Sangeet to like Bollywood music, you know?
What do you think is one thing they are going to be surprised about?
Everything.
I was like, pick one.
Literally, I genuinely cannot.
Are you
pick
going to
one.
give them a pep talk? Like, don't be overwhelmed. There
So
is a-
Shane's mom
Yeah.
already came for our engagement, so she's been to India twice already.
She
Yeah.
preps the dad.
Yeah,
She's
she
like,
needs to
"Hey."
prep the rest. She's gonna be
Yeah.
like, "Hey, it's not something you're ever gonna expect.
Yeah.
Like everyone was like, all the aunties at my engagement were taking her and like, be like, you have to do shots. And she doesn't drink a lot. Like she'll drink once in a while, but she doesn't drink a lot.
Yeah.
They were all forcing her to do shots. She had the best time though, thank God.
Have you watched that movie, My Big Fat Greek Wedding?
Yes.
Like, I feel like that's a good starter
It
movie
is.
to expectation
is.
set. Have you watched it?
No.
It's about like this American
Big
guy.
fat Greek wedding.
Yeah.
Is it about a big fat Greek
Yeah,
wedding?
an American guy marrying this Greek woman, and like he has just like parents, like big family, and there's this huge Greek family, and they keep feeding you and doing all these.
Basically Indian.
Yeah, basically an Indian family, and like it's a big like overwhelming situation for the bride
Yeah.
and groom. Maybe we should have like a meditation room, like music festivals have, like
Yeah.
a quiet room where you can just go
Honestly, I need that for myself.
Yeah.
My green
and your
room.
green room. A green room is not a physical space; it's a state of mind.
Yes.
Calm yourself into the green room, Alia. Bring yourself in 3, 2, 1.
I just have someone to do guided meditation.
It's me.
It's you. I hire you. You're not a guest at the
Relax your rectum, Alia. It's just a wedding.
wedding. Don't get your IBS take control of you. Take control of your IBS.
Oh, you know what? I don't like about lehengas? The thigh sweat.
Oh my gosh, I hate the thigh sweat.
Like your thighs are just pushed together with lot.
When? Lehengas are so like...
No.
No,
But if you have
it's
a bridal
thighs.
lehenga.
Also, if you're like me and you don't have a thigh gap, you just have fat between your thighs, then the sweat is real.
There's like can and skirt and your thighs.
Yeah, like 7 layers of
Yeah.
it, and you're just like sweating everywhere.
I don't think I've ever worn a lehenga with a can.
So you can't.
I can't relate.
It sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, okay. So my cousin's sister got married and I was wearing this like very pretty, actually Kalki X Alana Pandey corset sari, and I thought I was looking hot as
The
fuck.
brown one?
The white one.
Oh.
Yeah, I bought it. Thanks, Kalki, for not collabing. But, oh, Alana. But yeah, so I walked in and my brother was like, why the fuck are you so overdressed? Are you the bride? And I was like, shut up. I'm wearing fashion jewelry. I'm wearing a sari with a slit. No one thinks I'm the bride, you know. And then after that, at like my brother's roka, I was wearing this very pretty shop malmal, white and black embroidered organza kurta. And I walked in and my brother was like, are you dressed for a funeral? And now in October, the same brother is getting married. So now I'm like, what the fuck should I wear? Because I don't think in India there's a concept of like overshadowing the bride. Because you cannot overshadow the bride. The bride
Yeah.
looks like the fucking bride. She
looks like a
serious.
royal.
She's wearing like 40 lakhs worth of jewelry. There's no way she doesn't
Yeah.
look like the bride.
Also, the wedding is not for the bride.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
for the single people who need to be
Right.
networked into the next wedding
right.
season.
Yeah.
Sorry to burst your bubble.
No, I'm expecting that.
Right. But like,
Please give us your guest list. Please give us more.
just the
specifically
guys with abs.
your dad's guest list.
I'll send you a list marked with single, not single, and like their traits.
Yeah.
You know, green flags and red flags.
I'm happy.
Thank
I'm a
you.
happy camper. So I feel like Roka is like Christmas, right? It's now no longer belongs to one community or
It's
one.
like holy.
Yeah, and you know, people were mad when I didn't do a roka. I did like an engagement party where it was
Yeah.
more of like a celebration, like where
Yeah.
everyone, it was just like wear Indian clothes, come and get drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that was all it was. It wasn't
Fair.
like some ceremony where we have a pandit
hate-
and we're exchanging rings, and people were so pissed.
I feel like it's a very like new popular, like it's a
Yeah.
trending concept.
Right.
What is the point of a Roka? Like,
I also hate when people say roka-fied.
oh,
It makes me
Is
have
that a
visceral-
thing?
Yeah,
I've been
hashtag
Roka-fied. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
It's like
It's like roka.
using Roka as a verb.
Yeah.
Ew.
Like we got a roka done.
Yeah.
Ew.
I don't get, I mean, it's not like native to my, like,
It's not
I'm
like-
sorry,
ethnicity
I'm really
or
tipsy
culture.
right now, and I just want to touch your hair because it looks really
oh,
silky.
thought there was something in my.
No, it just looked really silky, and I just wanted
You
to
can
touch
pull
it.
Dude, on Saturday when we were at the party, I was like, Naina, shot. And I like touched her and she was like, why the fuck are you pushing me? I was like, yo.
I have no memory of this.
Yeah, I was like, she's drunk, so I won't take it personally. But I got a little scared.
The only thing I remember from that party is the NPC dancing.
Dude, I had so much fun. Insert clip on Naina's vlog.
I deleted it. No, the vlog's there. I deleted the
No,
footage.
you did. You have the
there's
casual
a-
NPC.
Yeah.
thing. I saw it.
Yeah, that's
Just
it.
my part. What's something else? You know, I hate when the groom is part of the wedding.
Honestly, me too.
Like, what is the correct balance? I want you to be there, but I don't want you to be vocal. But I want you to be vocal enough that I know that you're not switched off. It's
No,
that
for
simple.
me, it's just like I want to be in charge and I just want you to agree with everything I say and be excited about it. Like, I
Yeah.
want you to be ecstatic about my options and my
Every time you say
choices.
something, he goes, woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm really like, do you want these flowers? And he's just like,
Fuck
that's,
yes.
you are amazing. That's all I
Angel,
want. Yeah.
Pookie.
Rajni Gandha, how did you know?
That's
The
all
flower.
I want.
Oh,
Rajni-
I was thinking about the pan masala.
Oh, yeah.
Just Sakshi thing.
Did
I
you know Rajnigandha was a flower?
Yes.
Alia?
really Rajnigandha is like a marigold only.
It's similar to a marigold.
That's what she just said.
Oh, did
Yeah, like one's yellow, one's orange,
Okay,
something
okay,
like
whatever.
that.
What were you saying?
I was saying I love like like the very simple Indian weddings where at the end in the dessert counter there's like one melty strawberry ice cream, some like gajar ka halwa, gulab jamun.
and vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Top tier wedding dessert.
noting it down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I also think like instead of having a chart counter and this counter and that counter, just have a bigger chart counter.
I have a
because-
chart counter.
yeah,
Yeah.
chart counters are where it's at.
I have a big chart counter that we're
Yeah.
prepping. We have a Mexican counter for tacos
Ooh.
and bowls and quesadillas.
Is there a
Honestly,
matcha counter?
no, but there is going to be a coffee counter
Ooh.
at one of the events. Not all. I can't afford it. to
I
be at
hope
all.
I'm a part of that event.
You will. You're invited to all.
Yay! You heard it here
Ooh,
first.
she's
As
like,
did
now
I.
that you vlog, you can be in the wedding.
But I think one of my favorite parts of wedding planning was the food tasting.
Yeah.
For
When I went
sure.
and to all the 3-4 different venues and we just
Yeah.
tasted like 80 different things, that was just the most enjoyable experience of my life.
And you'd like do it like MasterChef.
Yeah, fully. Shane and I wrote notes. We were like, the smokiness of this is delicious, but I think it could be, blah, blah. You know, I was like fully
love
like
that.
pretending like I was a judge on
Should we just, like,
MasterChef.
pretend like we're getting married and go for tasting.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm about to do a bartending tasting soon, like for cocktails.
Where
You're
is, whether or
invited.
not you ask us. Yeah.
Just show. I'll be very happy because I don't want to get drunk alone since Shane
Oh,
doesn't
Shane
drink.
doesn't drink. Okay.
Yeah.
If you really want us there, if you're begging and pleading for us to be there.
No, you don't have to.
No. You said.
You said-
I know what you want.
I like when they have like the drink menus and the drinks are named after the bridegroom and different things in
For
their
sure.
lives.
Yeah.
That's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Alia did that.
I did
Yeah.
that.
Alia, Shane,
We had
Cosmo,
4 drinks:
Kai.
the Alia, the Shane, the Cosmo, and the Kaya.
Which
dog
one was the
and
most
cat.
popular?
Unfortunately, it was the Shane, which I was not very
What
happy
was
about.
it?
Some vodka drink.
Oh,
I was a gin drink.
yeah. No one likes gin.
I love gin.
I hate gin. Gin is medicinal, apparently.
Just shut up with this.
Dude,
It's
no.
for insects.
Gin and tonic is a mosquito repellent.
I love gin and tonic.
Yeah, that's why mosquitoes don't bite you.
Coming back to weddings.
That's actually true, which is
Right, that's a
unfortunate.
good thing. Why do you want mosquitoes to bite you?
Because I don't want you to be right about gin and tonic being a mosquito repellent.
Dude, Coca-Cola had cocaine earlier.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's true.
Things change. People change. Things change too.
The fuck up.
Yeah, well, I want to know what your wedding expectations are. Not that I'm the
From
host
your
taking
wedding or
over.
from a
From
wedding?
her wedding. Your own wedding.
Mine will be like a 3-day small wedding where we'll be like in this nice ass villa situation. And like the first day it'll be like the girls go separate, the boys go separate, and then they come back in the night and just like do girl boy things together. And then the second day is like a brunch, like a drunch where like
Everyone
get
wakes up
drunk.
literally at brunch.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. And
Wake
then
up
we
and
get
drink.
drunk. Yeah. And it's like just very aesthetic. People are passed out by 6 p.m. They wake up at 2 a.m. And then I don't know what they do because I'll be sleeping at 2 a.m. And the third day, obviously, we get like, I think the marriage should be a court marriage. But like the
The
third
celebration.
day, we go out on the town and like do ATVing or something.
It's a very
All-terrain
Sakshi-esque
vehicle.
wedding.
Yeah.
Would you rather get married or not get married?
So I think the idea of a wedding is very fun. I think the idea of a marriage
Marriage.
is boring. Like for me.
Yeah.
I keep saying for me because I don't want married people to leave the pod. But like I did a poll once on like our Instagram and like 80% of our listeners were single.
Yeah.
So
Every day is a new day when I'm like, is there a need to be married or not? And every day I have no answer. So I'm just taking it as it comes.
I'm very excited to be a wife.
I know you'd make a very good partner,
Yeah.
wife.
And honestly, I will say everyone's always been so like, you're just 23, you're too young to get married. I will say, before I met Shane, coming from a broken family with divorced parents, I was like, I'm never getting married. Marriage is a scam. And then when I met Shane, I was like, 2 years into, I was like, I could see it. And then 3 years, I was like, you know what, I would like it. And now I'm like excited about it. And I'm like, there's nothing wrong in that, so leave me alone.
There is
Yeah,
absolutely
fair.
nothing wrong.
you know it's also
Every day, I have to hear, you're too young to get married.
you know
Look at Kylie.
yeah. Is
She's
she
chilling.
married?
She's not but she had a kid at like 20. She
Yeah,
did
but
her. She
she's
did.
chilling.
she's thriving.
hot,
Yeah.
She's a
thriving,
billionaire.
Yeah.
I want to be a billionaire.
What is the song?
Rise and shine.
Great song.
Thank you. That's a banger. But yeah, like she's on her money. She's taking care of 2, perhaps 3 kids
I
now.
know.
Yeah.
No, but I will
Arista's
I will
crying.
cry because Timothy is like my
Religion.
yeah. Basically, I have like a full plan. If I ever meet
Okay.
Timothy,
What is your like? Is he your like your pass?
he used to be not so much anymore because I got the ick from him a little bit.
After
Now-
the Met video, not the Met, the video where him and Kylie were talking. I think Oscar.
Yeah, exactly. After that,
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? I'm over it.
Yeah.
You
Who's
lose.
your pass?
Now it's Aaron Taylor Johnson.
Johnson.
Who is Aaron Taylor Johnson?
The dude in Bullet Train. Have you watched Kick-Ass? Bullet Train?
No. Chalo, मैं ढूंढ लूंगी.
I'll show you
There's
right
lots.
Who's
now.
your pass?
I'm only past. I don't know who's my past. Honestly, like after being on this side of the of the camera and meeting myself and other people,
You're just, you
I'm like
hate
just a
yourself
very regular person from a
a regular person.
who's like very off the grid.
Just like, he's okay.
Yeah.
He'll do.
He'll do.
This is
Okay.
Aaron Taylor
Who's
Johnson.
your? I mean, not your past. Okay, I see it.
He's so hot.
He's like,
Apparently, he has a British accent.
Yeah, which makes him hotter.
Who's my pass? I don't think celebrities are hot.
nah, me either.
Any,
Yeah,
None.
just overall.
like they're good looking, but as a
We
whole,
can't talk, bro. As soon as, and that's a me saying it, you know, like just like as soon as they talk, you realize there's nothing behind those eyes. There's no brain. Most of them, most of the ones I've spoken
They're
to,
just fried.
like I'm surprised they're not saying abba dabba jabba. Like I don't know how they have any thoughts. Like, but on that note, guys, trust me, your favorite celebrity is just a Dumbo.
except the three of us,
We're not celebrities. I don't know how to tell
we're
you.
just Dumbos.
We're just Dumbos. Yeah, I feel like there's no mystery there.
Yeah.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an
End. Thanks for coming on our podcast. Please subscribe.
Thank you, Alia, for joining us for 2 whole episodes now.
You mean you joining me?
Yes.
Right, yes.
Both
Thank
of you
Yes.
are
you
my
for
guests.
having us, Alia.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going to kick her out now.
Bye.
Bye, guys.